hormones secreted by the endocrine glands such as the pancreas, thyroid, pituitary gland, adrenal glands and thymus, and the reproductive organs act as the chemical messengers of the body. They regulate and stimulate various body functions. Dysfunction of a hormone-producing gland of the body causes serious health disorders. Hormonal imbalance affects the metabolism process of the body, leading to unintended weight gain or weight loss. Diabetes develops when the pancreas fails to produce sufficient amount of the hormone insulin. Imbalance in the sexual hormones causes disorders of the reproductive system. Growth disorders during childhood and adolescence are attributed to imbalance in growth hormones produced by the pituitary gland. Your diet can help to correct certain types of hormonal imbalance. What you eat affects the function of your endocrine system. Hence, to restore the hormonal balance in your body, you should carefully choose the constituents of your diet. Diets for hormonal imbalance. Before watching the full video, please take a moment to subscribe our YouTube channel by clicking the subscribe button and then tapping the bell icon so that you're notified first when we post a new video. Organic foods. Chemical fertilizers and pesticides used in farming contain chemicals that disrupt the normal functions of the endocrine system. Consumption of foods containing these endocrine disruptor chemicals cause serious health disorders. Hence, to restore the healthy hormonal balance in your body, add only organic foods to your meals, fresh fruits and vegetables. Exposure to the highly reactive oxygen species, commonly known as free radicals, impairs the functioning of the endocrinal glands. The destructive activities of these free radicals can be negated by boosting the antioxidant status of the body. Fresh fruits and vegetables are the finest natural sources of antioxidant compounds. Adding a variety of fruits and vegetables, preferably of different colors, to your regular diet will help to improve the hormonal balance of your body. To correct hormonal imbalance, consume at least 9 servings of fresh fruits and vegetables daily. Low glycemic index diet. A low glycemic index diet helps to maintain the healthy insulin level in the body. It comprises of foods such as whole grains, lentils, beans and fiber-rich fruits and vegetables that slow down digestion and inhibit rapid absorption of sugar from foods, thereby preventing sudden spike in the blood sugar level. Apart from diabetics, a low glycemic index diet is also beneficial for non-diabetics. It prevents excess insulin production that occurs when a person consumes foods rich in sugar and refined carbohydrates. Too much insulin circulating in the blood may lead to obesity, high blood pressure, glucose intolerance and high blood cholesterol. Healthy fats. Excess fat buildup in the body may lead to hormonal imbalance. Saturated fats and trans fats obstruct activities of insulin, estrogen, testosterone and other hormones. Nonetheless, your body needs cholesterol for producing hormones. To maintain the healthy hormonal balance in the body without preventing unintended increase in fat reserve, add healthy fats to your diet. The unsaturated fatty acids, present in olive oil, nuts, avocados and fish oil, help to eliminate the unhealthy fats from the body and prevent hormonal imbalance. Iodine. An underactive thyroid gland that causes deficiency of the thyroid hormone slows down the metabolism process of the body. Adding foods containing iodine to your daily diet will help to restore the healthy thyroid hormone level. Seaweed and fish are the best dietary sources of iodine. Thanks for watching.